what will this class be? It's going to be the class that I wish I had in 2010 when I was so thirsty to make apps and I couldn't find the drink. Uh, it's the class that would have taken me from this ugly spot to absolutely cheering and saying, I can make an app. I can make a freaking iPhone app. So I have three goals for this class. And the first one is to learn how to make apps. So this is pretty general, but it's the most important. Whether you leave this class to get a job making apps for people, making apps for yourself, or just having that knowledge just as the background to connect with people that make apps, whatever it is, I want you to know how to make apps. And so we're going to walk through a lot of example apps. I'm going to show you everything that you need to know, and you should leave this class knowing how to make an app. If somebody said, hey, could you do this? You should say, yeah, I think I know how to do that. The next goal of the class is to be able to submit apps to the App Store. Now, I've had a lot of questions leading up to this class, like, is there going to be some sort of certification that I can take to employers that says I'm certified in iPhone or iOS development? And the answer is no. We're not doing any kind of certification, but more than certification, what you want is apps in the App Store. And the reason for that is any iOS developer job that I applied for or consulting work that I was looking for, I always got the same question. Do you have any apps in the App Store? And if so, can I see them? So we are going to walk you through in this class how to submit apps to the App Store. And as we're going through the class, learning how to make a couple of different apps, I'm going to have you add your own flair to a couple of them and then submit them to the App Store. So by the end of this class, you'll have multiple apps in the App Store that you can show off to either employers, friends, or family. That kind of gives you that badge of honor that says, hey, I have these apps in the App Store. I can tell you how they work, and really kind of gives you this official look and gives you instant credibility. The third goal of the class is to help you make your dream app. So maybe this is something that you've had as an idea for years, or maybe you just thought of it. Maybe it's something that's going to make you millions, or just something you'd want to show off to your friends. I don't know what it is, but there's some app that you've just been dying to make, and I want to help make this a reality in this class. So the very last section of this class is a breakdown of how to go about creating this app that you've been wanting to make. It takes you from that idea all the way through to the App Store. So at any point during this class, if you want to go ahead and jump to that last section to go start working on your own app, feel free to go do that. Now, you'll probably want to go through a lot of the content so you can kind of get your sea legs or get some sort of a base to understand how to make apps. But really, at any point, feel free to go jump there and just start working on your own app, because I really want you to come away from this saying, yeah, this is the app that I want to build, and I'll walk you through all the steps, and hopefully you'll have that at the end of this.